Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices. Put the XM6 into Bluetooth pairing mode by holding power until the blue LED flashes. This makes the headset discoverable. On the Ps5, go to Settings, then Sound, then Output, so you can later choose the correct device. Make sure firmware on the XM6 is up to date if possible, because compatibility and latency improvements matter. Once done, move to the Ps5 Bluetooth device list quickly. Ps5 won't accept general A2DP audio devices without a workaround. Since Ps5 blocks direct Bluetooth headsets, you use a low-latency transmitter. Plug a USB or optical Bluetooth transmitter into the Ps5 and set it to transmit mode. Pair that transmitter with the XM6 exactly as you paired the headset earlier, holding pairing until the devices connect. apt-XLL or similar reduces lag and improves sync for games. Then, on the Ps5, pick the transmitter as the audio output so system game and chat audio route through it. This avoids mic issues and keeps audio tight. Finish by testing audio and adjusting levels. Play a game, tweak Ps5 sound output volume, and set XM6 noise cancelling to your preference because ANC affects perceived clarity. Remember, the XM6 mic may not transmit to Ps5 through many transmitters. Use the dual sense mic or a USB mic for chat if required. If audio fails, repair the headset, reset the XM6 by holding power longer. Try another transmitter or a different USB port, and make sure the transmitter firmware is current to resolve compatibility hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.